Ever bought a car that looked perfect on the dealer lot, only to have the engine fail catastrophically just months later? You're not alone. While we often blame poor maintenance for engine failures, the truth is some cars left the factory with serious design flaws hiding under their hoods. Today we're exposing the absolute worst offenders, 20 cars with engines so problematic they've become notorious in mechanic shops across the country. These aren't minor issues that need a simple fix. We're talking about fundamental flaws that lead to complete engine failure and repair bills that often exceed the value of the vehicle itself. What's truly shocking is that many of these cars came from respected manufacturers with otherwise solid reputations. And here's what should really worry you. Thousands of these ticking time bombs are still sitting on used car lots right now, waiting for their next unsuspecting victim. The Infiniti G37 kicks off our countdown at number 20. While generally considered a reliable luxury sports sedan, the 3.7-liter VQ37 VHR engine in high-mileage examples often develops excessive oil consumption issues. Owners report needing to add a quart of oil every 1,000 miles in some cases. The culprit? Worn piston rings and valve seals that allow oil to seep into the combustion chamber where it burns away. If you're looking at a used G37, check for blue smoke from the exhaust and pay attention to the oil level during your test drive. Coming in at number 19 are the Fiat 500X and Jeep Renegade siblings equipped with FCA's 2.4-liter Tiger Shark engine. These trendy compact SUVs hide a serious flaw: excessive oil consumption that often leads to complete engine failure. The problem is so widespread that FCA faced a class action lawsuit over it. Many owners report their engines consuming oil at alarming rates with no external leaks visible. The worst part? The low oil pressure warning often comes too late after internal engine damage has already occurred. The number 18 spot goes to the Jeep Cherokee, equipped with the same problematic 2.4-liter Tiger Shark engine as its smaller Renegade cousin. The oil consumption issue is identical. Oil mysteriously disappears without any visible leaks. What makes the Cherokee even more problematic is that it's heavier than the Renegade, putting more stress on this already flawed engine. Many owners report complete engine seizure with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer, often shortly after the warranty expires. At number 17, we have the Chevrolet Equinox in GMC Terrain twins with their infamous 2.4-liter Ecotec engine. This engine became so notorious for excessive oil consumption that it spawned multiple class action lawsuits against General Motors. The problem stems from defective piston rings that don't properly seal against the cylinder walls. This allows oil to seep past and burn in the combustion chamber. GM eventually extended the warranty on these engines, but only after thousands of owners experienced catastrophic failures. Number 16 goes to the second-generation Ford Escape with the 3.0-liter Duratec V6. This popular SUV suffers from premature timing chain wear that can lead to complete engine destruction. The timing chain tensioners and guides wear out much earlier than they should, creating a signature rattling noise on startup. Ignore this sound at your peril. If the chain jumps timing or breaks entirely, the pistons and valves will collide, destroying the engine in seconds. At number 15 is the Volkswagen Jetta with its unusual 2.5-liter 5-cylinder engine. While this engine is actually more reliable than VW's notorious turbocharged options from the same era, it still suffers from ignition coil failures and persistent oil leaks. The vacuum pump mounted to the cylinder head is particularly problematic, often leaking oil directly onto the alternator below. If not addressed quickly, this can lead to alternator failure on top of the oil leak repair costs. 14 spot belongs to the second-generation Cadillac CTS with its 3.6-liter high-feature V6. This engine, especially in earlier models, develops serious timing chain issues that announce themselves with an ominous rattle on cold starts. The timing chain stretches prematurely, causing the engine to run out of proper timing. Left unaddressed, this leads to check engine lights, poor performance, and eventually complete engine failure. The repair involves disassembling the front of the engine, a labor-intensive job that costs thousands. At lucky number 13, we have the Mercedes-Benz C-Class W204 generation with its M271 4-cylinder engine. This supposedly sophisticated German power plant has a serious Achilles heel: its timing chain system. The timing chain can stretch and even break without warning, often causing catastrophic engine damage when it fails. Even more frustrating, Mercedes used a timing chain specifically because it wasn't supposed to require maintenance like a timing belt. The repair costs are often so high that they exceed the value of older examples. Coming in at number 12 is the Jaguar X-Type with its 2.5-liter and 3.0-liter AJ V6 engines. While these engines aren't the most problematic on our list, they suffer from persistent issues with the variable valve timing system and chronic oil leaks. These problems are compounded by the X-Type's notoriously tight engine bay, which makes repairs incredibly labor-intensive and expensive. What might be a $500 repair on another vehicle can easily become a $2,000 repair on the Jaguar simply due to the hours of labor required. At number 11, we have the third-generation Hyundai Sonata and Kia Optima, equipped with the 2.4-liter Theta 2 and 2.0-liter turbo engines. These engines gain notoriety for catastrophic connecting rod bearing failures that often resulted in complete engine destruction. The problem was so severe and widespread that Hyundai and Kia were forced to issue recalls covering millions of vehicles. Even more concerning, these engine failures sometimes led to fires, adding a serious safety risk to the financial burden of a failed engine. If you're thinking about subscribing to the channel, now's the perfect time. Hit that subscribe button to get notified when we post new videos about car reliability, maintenance tips, and buying guides that could save you thousands. Breaking into our top 10 is the Chrysler 200 and Dodge Avenger with the notorious 2.7-liter V6 engine. This engine has earned a reputation as one of the worst sludge producers in modern automotive history. The problem stems from a fundamentally flawed oil circulation design. Oil simply doesn't flow properly through critical engine components, causing it to break down rapidly and form thick, damaging sludge. This sludge then clogs oil passages and starves vital engine parts of lubrication. Even owners who change their oil religiously aren't safe. Once the sludge takes hold, it's nearly impossible to remove without completely disassembling the engine. The end result? Countless engines seizing up completely, often with less than 100,000 miles on the odometer. At number 9, we have the fourth-generation Nissan Altima with its 2.5-liter QR25DE engine. This extremely common family sedan has a serious flaw: excessive oil consumption caused by premature wear of the piston rings and cylinder walls. Owners frequently report needing to add a quart of oil every 1,000 miles or less. Even worse, the engine often doesn't show obvious symptoms like smoke or burning oil smell until the problem is severe. Many Altima owners have experienced complete engine failure simply because they didn't realize their engine was gradually running low on oil. The number 8 position goes to the first-generation Chevrolet Cruze with its troubled 1.4-liter turbocharged engine. This compact car suffers from a perfect storm of problems: turbocharger failures, coolant leaks leading to overheating, and PCV system malfunctions that cause oil leaks. These issues often cascade into one another. A failing PCV system puts extra stress on engine seals, leading to oil leaks. Simultaneously, coolant leaks from the water pump or thermostat housing can cause overheating, which further damages already compromised engine components. At lucky number 7 is the second-generation Ford Focus with its 2.0-liter Duratec engine. This engine is particularly prone to head gasket failures, which allow coolant to mix with engine oil or leak externally. Once coolant enters the oil, it creates a destructive milkshake-like substance that rapidly accelerates wear on bearings and other critical engine components. The repair requires removing the engine's cylinder head, a labor-intensive job that costs far more than many Focus models are worth. Breaking into our top 6 is the Land Rover Range Rover L322 generation. What makes this luxury SUV particularly interesting is that it suffered from engine reliability issues regardless of which engine it had. Both the early BMW-sourced M62 V8 and the later Jaguar AJ V8 engines had significant problems. The BMW engine developed issues with timing chain guides and coolant leaks, while the Jaguar engine was prone to timing chain tensioner failures and oil leaks. When these problems strike, repair bills can easily exceed $5,000. Yet another reason why used Range Rovers can be found at suspiciously low prices. Halfway through our countdown at number 5 is the second-generation Mini Cooper with its N14 and N18 turbocharged engines. These engines suffer from multiple serious issues: timing chain failures, high-pressure fuel pump malfunctions, and excessive carbon buildup on the intake valves. The timing chain problem is particularly devastating since a broken chain can cause catastrophic engine damage in seconds. seconds. What makes these engines even more frustrating is that repairing one problem doesn't prevent the others from occurring. Many owners have replaced timing chains only to face fuel pump failures months later. Just missing the podium at number 4 is the third-generation Subaru Impreza lineup, including the performance-oriented WRX and STI models with the EJ25 engine. These boxer engines became infamous for head gasket failures that allowed coolant to leak externally or mix with engine oil. The boxer design, while providing a lower center of gravity, makes head gasket replacement particularly labor-intensive and expensive. Even worse, the performance-oriented WRX and STI models put additional stress on these already vulnerable head gaskets, often leading to premature failure. Taking the bronze medal at number 3 is the Volkswagen Passat B6 generation with the 2.0-liter TFSI engine. This engine drinks oil at an alarming rate due to faulty piston rings that allow oil to seep into the combustion chamber. Owners commonly report needing to add a quart of oil every 1,000 miles or even more frequently. The problem is exacerbated by Volkswagen's questionable decision to eliminate the dipstick in some models, replacing it with an electronic oil level monitoring system that often fails to warn drivers until oil levels are critically low. The silver medal for unreliability goes to the BMW 5 Series E60 generation equipped with the N62 V8 engine. This supposedly premium power plant is plagued by coolant leaks from the valve stem seals and the valley pan gasket located under the intake manifold. These leaks often go undetected until the engine overheats, causing extensive and expensive damage. Making matters worse, the complex design of this engine means that even simple repairs require removing numerous components, driving labor costs to astronomical levels. A cooling system repair that might cost $500 on a typical car can easily run $3,000 or more on this BMW. Taking the dubious honor of first place is the Audi A4 generation with its deeply flawed 2.0-liter TFSI engine. This engine suffers from severe oil consumption issues due to faulty piston rings and excessive crankcase vacuum. The increased vacuum draws oil past the piston rings into the combustion chamber, where it burns away. Owners frequently report their cars consuming a quart of oil every 500 to 1,000 miles, a rate that's simply unacceptable for a premium luxury vehicle. The low oil warning light often appears suddenly between oil changes, catching owners by surprise. Making matters worse, Audi initially denied the problem existed, forcing owners to pay for expensive repairs out of pocket. By the time Audi finally acknowledged the issue, thousands of engines had already been damaged or destroyed. A complete repair requires rebuilding the engine with redesigned piston rings, a job that typically costs $6,000 or more. So there you have it, 20 cars with engines so problematic they've earned a permanent spot in automotive infamy. What's truly shocking is how many of these vehicles came from manufacturers with otherwise strong reputations for reliability. The next time you're shopping for a used car, remember that a vehicle's overall reliability rating doesn't always tell the whole story. Specific engine and model year combinations can be ticking time bombs, even from brands that typically score well in consumer surveys.